Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is your course instructor Rao Aisha Sadiq from Department of English, University of Southern Punjab, Multan. So student, in this lecture we will continue from Tawfiq Rafat's arrival of the monsoon. Then the next lines are, gliding days are over, the birds are tossed sideways and back and lifted against their will. They must struggle to achieve direction. So student, we discussed the significance of 1947 war, and then we will move towards the violence as a result of that war. Now Tawfiq Rafat suddenly shifts to a beautiful imagery of consequences of after war. War has been executed. Poet says that violent days are gone now. Now it's peace, and everything which was not fixed is placed in its position. Birds can be interpreted as a metaphor for desperate people who are nostalgic about their past and who were lifted against their will. These are the immigrants who were forced to leave their places, their homes back in India. Hence, they are tossing sideways and back and expressing their grief. But in the very next line, poet gives them advice to struggle to achieve direction. Rafat is now hoping for good things and the good days for coming, and also that he and the nation is going to have his identity now, so they must struggle with their past and memories so that they can pay attention to new life and achieve their goal. A new direction and a new meaning to the newly carved nation. In the next line 10 to 12, a welcome darkness descends, harsh contours dissolve, lose their prosaic condition, all the sound we have loved are restored. These lines throw light on love which is given by a new homeland, Pakistan. The harsh and dark darkness which was there in subcontinent and in people's life was now descending. New homeland was like a candle which brought light to their lives. Harsh realities were now dissolved and they lost their fanciful and imaginative covering which was produced by politicians. There is another nostalgic tone when the poets, when the past sounds which were loved are mentioned and thus are restored. These sounds refer to the sounds of love, the sound of harmony, the sound of unity, the sound of discipline, the sound of manners and feelings, and the most important to relationships which were lost during 1947 war. Student, these sounds are not only back but also are more powerful now. In line 13 to 15 he says, and now the rain in sudden squalls, it sweeps the streets. And equally sudden are the naked boys paddling in ditches. And here comes the first rain of monsoon and the first blessing from Allah Almighty. This rain is really very important in the role it plays in sudden violent winds. It comes and it sweeps away every bad things with itself. The rain washed the bones of people and clear the streets which were bloody before because of independence war. Furthermore, this rain not only clean external wounds but also internal ones as well. The wounds which are unhurt because of losing home and relatives, and everything now is cheering up that even the boys are splashing around in rain. This shows the extreme excitement and happiness of immigrants and the new nation of a newly created and established country. In the next line 16 to 18 he says, last alive, everything is alive again. Savour the rain's coolness on lips and eyes. How madly the electric wire is swinging. And now because of liberating wind and the rain, everything is alive. Because of violence, brutality and destruction, everything was so dead and horrible. This independence war not only killed peoples but also nature and physical world surrounding these people. So the rain is the anticipation of change which came suddenly. It washed away all those elements of darkness and gave life to everything again. This rain also had a soothing effect for people and it soothed their senses. Not only were this but even material things swinging because of freedom. This personification explains the very happiness of everything which was now free. Everything is alive again is a very important. If it is taken on more symbolic grounds, it can also refer to those people who gave their lives for the cause of freedom. Hence, by this, we can say that those people who sacrificed are not dead anymore. Rather, they are alive again in a form of this new homeland and in the sense of independence. While electric viol is swinging, can also show the zeal and the zest of new nation that now they are so much enthusiastic and mad of happiness. So in these lines, we can see an image of rebirth, recreation, renewal and a new life everywhere. In line 19 to 21, he says, from brown waters edifying ground, their hooves the drenched trees rise and shake themselves, and summer ends in the flurry of drops. So student, the rain not only sweeps away everything and gave life, but also is a reason for vegetation and plantation. Round their hooves is actually a reference towards the roots of trees. Water is very much associated with roots of trees because roots get nourishment through water and thus produces flowers and later fruits. Thus the rain gave rise to food as well. Not only had this, but it also made the trees to shed off every dust and drop of violence and blood. Symbolically, it states that envy was removed and there was harmony and unity, for they have to work, shelters and peace in a new land. Trees remove every single dust of hate, violence, brutality and riots, and also shed off all the sorrows that everything seemed new and fresh now. The poem ends at contrast with previous summer. Last summer, which was producing and providing weeds back in other land before migration, was now falling snow. Snow have smooth, calm and peaceful effect. Hence the poem ends at a very beautiful and calm imagery of brightness. So student, arrival of the monsoon. The days, the birds are tossed and the back and all the pleasant imagery. It suggests a change. It suggests rebirth. It suggests renewal for a newly created homeland of Pakistan. So student, this is all about our today's lecture. Till the next lecture, stay blessed, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.